a banner image and a profile image here. So I want, if we click on this particular button right there, we'll upload an image that stays here, and we'll also click on this particular button, we upload an image that stays there, so as a profile. So let's get this done. So first, we need to import our states, so which I have done on this line, and then we initialize our states. So how do you initialize your states? You say const um banner set banner. So our current value is going to be null this way. So you carry this guy, this banner, copy this banner, put it as your image. So src, so it's now going to be our banner right there. So we'll make a function. We'll say const handle banner. So inside here, we'll pass a parameter e. We say const file equals to e dot target dot files square bracket 0. We say if file exists, if files exist, we take this and say const reader equals to new file reader, like this. Say reader dot unloaded. So it takes a function. So it takes a function like this. We'll now call this set banner here, this set banner function. We'll call it and then populate it with whatsoever thing we get. So we'll populate it with reader dot results this way. Now we'll now say reader dot read as data URL. So we'll pass down our file here. So having done that, let's close our curly braces. So we're going to close this guy over here and then close that of the function over here. Shift alternate F this way. So everything is complete. So we'll now call this function. We'll carry this function and then go to the button that triggers the upload. So I've got that button somewhere here. So let me find that banner button. So let me find it. So banner button. So where is it? So this is the user info. So where is that button? Banner edit button, input. So look at it over here. So we'll say on change. On change, we'll pass the function like this. So now let's go back to check this out. We'll reload the browser. Click on change button, pick an image. Boom. That is it. So now let's change it to something else, please. So I think 14 is good. Oh, bad. So then, so you can see we are now able to change to different images. So the last one, I just put this. So boom. So that's it. So now let's do for our profile um image. So we'll do the same thing, exactly the same thing. So we'll first make a state for the profile. We'll say const. We'll say dp. So I'm just going to go with dp. I'll say set dp. So this way equals to a state this way. So our initial value there is what? Null, like this. So we'll now find that place and then pass dp there. So for the image, let's scroll down to find it. So I think I've passed it. So let's go up a bit. This one is change banner profile. So we're looking for img. Okay, cool. Look at it over here. So we'll say src. So we'll pass our dp there this way. No, dp. That's what we wanted to pass there. So we'll now go ahead and make a function for that. So it's pretty much the same thing here. So just that we need to change some things. So I'll just have to duplicate this and change this to handle dp this way. So anywhere I see set banner, I'll change it to dp, set dp, and set dp. Where else am I setting dp? So I'm not setting any dp here again. So this is cool. So we now need to make an change that is going to trigger handle dp. So we'll come down here, copy this, then look for that button. So let's find the button. Let's find the button. Let's find the button. Now here is the button. So we'll say on change, we'll pass this over there. So we'll go back to the browser. Now click on this guy, pick an image, boom, it comes up there. Select for our banner. No, I'll go for this. We hit open, boom. So we have it. So this is it. Bye.